Have you ever thought about controlling your devices with your mind, communicate telepathically with others, enhance your memory and intelligence, and even merge with artificial intelligence? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not for long, because there is a company that is working hard to make this a reality. And that company is Neuralink, founded by none other than Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind Tesla, SpaceX, and PayPal. Neuralink is developing brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, that can connect your brain to machines and enable a whole new level of human capabilities. In this video, we will tell you everything you need to know about Neuralink, its technology, its goals, its funding, its impact, and its implications. We will also explain why this is one of the most important and exciting developments in the history of humanity and what it means for our present and future. So if you are curious about Neuralink and want to learn more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So, what exactly is Neuralink and how does it work? It is a company that is developing brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, that can connect your brain to machines. A BCI is a device that can record, stimulate, or modulate the electrical activity of neurons in the brain. Neurons are the cells that process and transmit information in the brain, and they communicate with each other through electrical signals called action potentials, or spikes. By interfacing with neurons, a BCI can read or write information to or from the brain and enable a bidirectional communication between the brain and the machine. Neuralink's BCI consists of two main components, the link and the pod. The link is a small, coin-sized implant that is inserted into the skull and contains thousands of tiny electrodes, called threads, that penetrate the brain tissue and interface with neurons. The link can record and stimulate the spikes of neurons with high precision and resolution, and can also measure other signals, such as temperature, pressure, and motion. The link is connected to the pod, which is a wireless device that is worn behind the ear and contains the battery, the processor, and the Bluetooth module. The pod communicates with the link and transmits the data to a smartphone app, where the user can control the settings and access the features of the BCI. Neuralink's BCI has made significant progress and achievements so far, such as the demonstration of a pig with a Neuralink implant and the launch of a human clinical trial. In August 2020, Neuralink held a live event where they showed a pig named Gertrude with a link implanted in her snout and how the link could record the spikes of her neurons when she touched objects with her snout. They also showed how they could remove the link without causing any harm to the pig, and how they could implant multiple links in different parts of the pig's brain. In February 2021, Neuralink announced that they had received approval from the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, to start a human clinical trial, and that they were looking for volunteers with severe spinal cord injuries to test the BCI. The goal of the trial is to restore the ability of the participants to control their computers and smartphones with their minds and to improve their quality of life. Now that you know what Neuralink is and how it works, you might be wondering how much money it has and how much it is worth. Well, Neuralink is one of the most well-funded and highly valued BCI companies in the world, and it has recently raised an additional $43 million in a Series B round, bringing its total funding to $323 million. The Series B round was led by Vi Capital, a venture capital firm based in Dubai, and it also included existing investors such as Founders Fund, Valor Equity Partners, Craft Ventures, and DFJ Growth. The round also attracted new investors such as Google Ventures, Andreessen Horowitz, and Sequoia Capital. The valuation of Neuralink after the Series B round is estimated to be around $2 billion, which is a significant increase from its previous valuation of $1 billion in 2019. Neuralink's funding and valuation are impressive, especially when compared to other BCI companies or competitors such as Kernel, Paradromics, and Facebook Reality Labs. Kernel is a company that is developing non-invasive BCIs that can measure and modulate brain activity using light and sound waves, and it has raised $53 million in total funding and has a valuation of $500 million. Paradromics is a company that is developing invasive BCIs that can record and stimulate the brain using microelectrode arrays, and it has raised $28 million in total funding and has a valuation of $100 million. Facebook Reality Labs is a division of Facebook that is developing non-invasive BCIs that can decode speech and commands from the brain using optical imaging, and it has not disclosed its funding or valuation, but it has acquired CTRL Labs, a company that developed a wristband that can measure nerve signals from the hand, for $1 billion in 2019. Neuralink's funding and valuation are influenced by several factors, such as the market potential, the technological innovation, the public interest, and the Musk effect. The market potential of BCIs is huge, as they can address various needs and demands of consumers, businesses, and governments, such as health, education, entertainment, and security. The global BCI market size was valued at $1.6 billion in 2020, and it is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 15.1% from 2021 to 2028, reaching $4.7 billion by 2028. Neuralink's BCI has potential positive impacts on health as it can treat and treatment. However, it can introduce new risks and complications, such as infection or damage to brain tissue, and have side effects like headaches or mood swings. Ethical implications around consent, autonomy, and accountability are also raised, including who decides who receives an implant and who is responsible for any harm caused by the device. Also, Neuralink's BCI can have a positive impact on education by improving memory, attention, comprehension, and enabling new ways of learning and teaching. However, it can also create challenges like cheating, plagiarism, and ethical implications about fairness, quality, and diversity of the education system. This raises questions about academic integrity, intellectual property, and the quality and validity of information transferred by the Neuralink implant. It is important to address these concerns to fully utilize the potential of Neuralink's BCI in education. Neuralink's BCI technology could positively impact entertainment by creating more immersive and interactive experiences, including realistic sensory inputs and social collaboration. However, it could also lead to negative consequences, such as addiction, isolation, and ethical concerns regarding the morality, legality, and authenticity of the content and the rights and responsibilities of users and creators. Those BCIs has the potential to positively impact the economy by creating more innovative and productive forms of work and business, such as telework and brain markets. It can improve worker efficiency and provide flexible modes of work and communication. However, it may also lead to negative impacts, such as unemployment and ethical concerns surrounding brain data ownership, control, and value. Determining who has access to and control over brain data and services raises questions about regulation and worker rights and obligations. In conclusion, we have told you everything you need to know about Neuralink, its technology, its goals, its funding, its impact, and its implications. We have explained how Neuralink's BCI works, what are its advantages and achievements, and what are its vision and goals. We hope that you have enjoyed and learned from this video and that you have gained a better understanding and appreciation of Neuralink and its BCI. If you want to learn more about Neuralink, you can visit its website, watch its live events, or read its white paper. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.